Hi guys, today we are going to do a gel baller. You guys know it's I'm just going to use another mirror here just to make sure the line is straight. Okay. I think that's okay. As you guys know, I always what is it? Section out my hair, and like you guys also know, I only use I mostly use my Faxseed Gel that I make. I'm going to give you to put up a link of a video I made on how you can make your Faxseed Gel at home. All right, so I always section out the hair just so the gel is evenly distributed, else it's going to be very, very thick and it won't flatten as nicely as I would want it to. So I always section out the hair. Oh guys, I didn't really comb my hair because I was in a rush. I had to quickly wash it so that I can make the video before it's dark. And as you guys know, I'm a fashion designer, and the whole day I was busy with some orders that I had to finish, and of course I can't go to work with messy hair. So yeah, that's why I didn't really pay too much attention with detangling my hair, because I honestly don't want to comb it too much, because I usually just prefer combing it after I've properly detangled it, which I haven't done because I didn't have time. So please guys, don't try this at home. Always allocate enough time for your wash day. All right, always allocate enough time for your wash day. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. I really like this. I love this gel very much. Doesn't break my hair. Doesn't really break my hair. Because I mean, yeah, I just make it at home, so I don't really put in any chemicals. I just put in oils. So yeah. Then after the gel is in, I can now properly comb, because it's like the gel is also acting as a detangler, kind of all those knots and that my hair had. I can finally comb it out nicely because the gel is making the hair a bit softer. Yeah. So now I can take out the baller. Can take off the baller. Add a little bit. What is it? Add a bit more gel, of course. Of course, honey. We need to properly apply. Woo! Yeah, but some people don't like the consistency of the gel, but I'm so used to it now, guys. Please don't go on. I'm so used to this consistency of my favorite gel. It does the trick. It's cheap. I buy one packet from Clicks, and it lasts me the whole year basically. I think it just finished today. I actually need to go buy, either buy Clicks or Discam. You just go there and you look for Faxseed Gel. Not Faxseed, flex seeds. Yeah, but I'll put the link. I'll put the link in the description. Ooh, this hair is really detangled today. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description of the video on how to make the gel, and you can properly see the packaging of the Faxseed Gel. Yeah. So, how do you guys like it? I think it's aight. Yeah. I think it does the trick. I think I can take off next week with this hairdo. Okay, so that's basically what I do to my bun. Okay, right, you know, I cannot see myself properly, so I have to take the other mirror down here, and then yeah. You guys are not telling me I didn't properly put here. Ooh, you guys shouldn't see the mess in the background. This mirror better not expose me. Okay, I'm just gonna put a bit so I can do what is it, so it's nice and flat from here, and all right, great stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to take this little comb, and I'm going to try and make, I hope I remember, make this okay, like this. Yeah, something like that. There we go. How does that look? Yeah, yeah, okay. That's something like that. We do the same to the other side. Guys, this new setup, I'm really struggling. Because now I don't know where to put the mirrors, so I can, okay. Alright, how does that look? Not too bad, eh? Okay. Then of course I must always leave a bit of gel for my touch-ups during the week. And yeah, I'm going to put on a dookie, all right? Then we will continue from there onwards, because I forgot to bring it here. So yeah, I'm going to put on a dookie, and then we will continue after that. All right, guys, as you can see, I have put on my dookie, and I have not seen the hair yet, so I hope it looks good, and my makeup looks fine with it as well. Okay. All right. All right. I just want to go blend the makeup. So yeah, I'm really happy with the look, and yeah. Okay, so now we are going to put on the extension. Of course, I can't. Okay, I can, but I can't go out, you know, with this. No, with this Zula bola. So I have to put on an extension. Okay, this is the Afro Twist hair. Afro Twist hair. I got it from P&E Hair. This video is sponsored by P&E. I got it from P&E Hair. They sell this hair for $100, 100 Namibian dollars. Alright, so what we can do, I don't know, the volume is so much. I don't know if I want to put all this on, but yeah. So, like I always show you, you put on the bola, then you hook through and you pull. Now this is what you attach on your band. Even 2 times is fine. Okay, it's attached. Then what you do is you just cover your band, take a section from the hair, and then you just use it to secure your bun. Use it to secure your bun. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Of course, it doesn't have to be perfect because I cannot see it. I don't know if you can see. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then before I put on the next one, I'm just going to secure the one I just put on now, so that it's just in place with a bobby pin. Use as many as you want. You can use as many as you want until you are confident. You don't want to be, you know, bouncing your hair and you're like, this thing is about to fall off. So I'm going to take another one. Oh yeah, and this dress is a 1 gem dress. 1 gem fashion. If you guys are not following me, I'll put the link below. You should go and follow 1 gem fashions, as well as P&E Hair for this lovely hair that they sponsored me with. Afro Twist hair. You can see it is it has more volume and a more natural texture than the Mali hair that we are kind of used to. So yeah, and my earrings are sponsored by Patriotik by JTE. I will also link the Instagram account below so that you can go follow them, because they have a variety of things. They sell leather bag, a variety of things. They sell leather bags, they sell t-shirts, they make this personalized earrings. So yeah, so this is my bun. So what do you think? Am I ready for the week? At least I don't have to think about my hair for this week, because it is sorted. And don't you just like the volume? Boy, am I glad I didn't decide to divide it, because I love it. Hey, earring. I love it. 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 Alright guys, so yeah, this is how you just do your quick gel bola. That will cost you how much? You know, this year we are saving, we are cutting costs, guys. Do your bolas at home. You can do it at home. Then you can, like, I don't know, depending on how you can maintain it or so, you can have it for a week, for 2 weeks. Yeah, but 2 weeks max, guys, please don't push it. So yeah, so you should always have your flaxseed, and then you just do your edges in the morning if you want. If you don't like edges, it's off, so fine. So yeah, and then you just you can be applying some oil, a little bit of oil, if you see maybe it's flaking or it's white or something, but not too much, because the oil obviously dissolves the gel, then the gel won't really hold if you put too much oil. All right guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and do you think this hair goes with my dress? And yeah, until the next video, bye guys.